Today we'll talk about how can you change password on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile. So then it's going to take us to this list here and just click here on edit. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, click here on change password. So when you just click on it here, so reset password. So you just click here. You have to reset password email sent here. So when you just click on it here, then it's going to it's going to show for you to change your password or add it on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.